Good morning, guys! Welcome to my new vlog of nature. I'm off today, so I decided to take a walk because it's a beautiful day today. So, guys, I'm here in the river near our place. So I took a walk and look what I got in here. A beautiful place to relax, enjoy the weather. Beautiful sun, sky. Look at that, guys. Blue sky. And I'm here to vlog a little bit for you guys, just to show you that what's going on in the world right now. You must find a way to find yourself a little bit pleasure. We cannot travel all the way from any other places, but maybe in your place you can find something that you can enjoy. So have fun, enjoy your life, and let's be positive and take the day by day and look to the brighter side and appreciate what the nature can give you. So guys, I'll let you go and show you all the places I've been doing right now. So this is for you guys, so please like and subscribe on my channel, Pinay Canadian Home Cooks. These are my other hobbies that I will be showing to the YouTube. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe and hit the bottom notification bell, and as well follow me on my Instagram. So guys, Pinay Canadian Home Cooks 2.0. Besides cooking, I do vlogging of natures and where I went, or traveling, or places I've been in my place. And for the meantime, this is what I'm going to show you guys. So that's enough for my talking, and I'll show you all the rest of my vlog. Have a good day, guys. Thank you. This is my off day, so let's enjoy the weather when we can. I'll show on the other side. So there you go, guys. That's the beauty of the river. Wow. Isn't that beautiful? This tree, I don't know how old this is though, but this is like, oh, it's Instagrammable. I would like to drip there, but I'm scared that I will fall, slide in the water. Today is my day off, so I went to my dentist for my cleaning of my teeth, and I have no other things to do the rest of my day, so I just find a place here, a beautiful place, really so relaxing. Wow, isn't that beautiful, guys? Look at the clouds. There is no clouds, and look at the sky. It goes with the nature. Oh, so relaxing. This is what I'm saying, that little things in life you have to appreciate what God has created for us, to enjoy and appreciate it, which I do love nature. See how beautiful it is, the waves, the rushing of the adrenaline of the water. It's so relaxing. Oh, that's so beautiful. Sometimes you find a way where you can relax yourself. You don't have to spend money. Just hike. Look at that tree. I'll give you a 360 degrees. I'll go down the rushing of the. There you go. Look at that tree. Tabi-tabi po. Wow. People are walking in here, so I might as well go with them and have fun walking. This is a walking thing that I'm doing today. So guys, we don't have to be afraid in here, for people are walking at this time of weather. So cool. Wow. Look at the bare trees. They're all gone. The trees are having no leaves yet, but they're sprouting little by little because spring is here. Maybe later I will take an Instagram over there. Oh guys, sometimes little things that we don't have to buy, material things are like material things, but it's only for a few hours or a few minutes that you're gonna like. But this one is tangible. Your memories that you like to see. Oh gosh, showing to you more guys here. Uh-oh. Isn't that so relaxing, guys? I wish I can dip my foot over there and have a swim. But looks like so rushing. The water is so rushing and adrenaline. The water current is so fast. But look at this, guys. This is a nice walking area. I don't know where it's getting, but I'm alone. Look at me. I'm alone. I'm just enjoying, guys. So why not? Some people are walking here. Madimande. Oh, there is a sitting area here too. Bonjour. Est-ce que c'est jusqu'à où bout de Windaki aussi, celui-là?
Oui,
Tu vas sortir de Windaki?
oui, monter jusqu'à la chute, là,
Ouais.
jusqu'à Bécoubon.
Ouais.
Oui, c'est ça.
Ah, ok. Parce que la première fois que j'ai été ici, c'était très beau. Pour la température comme ça, là, c'est très beau.
Ouais. Ça monte jusqu'au lac Saint-Charles.
Ouais?
Oui.
Ah ouais, I'm doing
Vous allez
vlogging.
voir, il y a
Say vlog.
une chute là-bas,
Shoot na Kukuba.
Kabikoubon.
Kabukuba. Ay, merci monsieur. Bonne journée à vous. Bye. Look at that. There is a birds. Birds school. Oh, birds house. My gosh. Oh, so cool. I will come back later. You hear that, guys? There are some birds who are happy too. Oh, there is a... Look at that, guys. There is a wild duck on the top of that water. I'll show you guys. Oh, what? You see the guys there? That is a duck. Oh, look at that. Are you seeing that, guys? I'm pointing my hands over there. The white stuff on the top of the water. Oh, the rocks. Oh gosh, that's so cool. I think she's gonna fly. She's gonna fly. Oh, she just swim. Oh, look at that. She's just enjoying her day. Oh, where is she going? Woo. Oh, she's flowing on the. Oh, look, it's going down. Oh, she loves it. That's so cool. Guys, sorry, but I was so happy enjoying this. Bonjour. Ouais, t'es très beau, hein? On profite. Bonne journée aussi, monsieur. Some people are saying hi to me. And nice to look and see how it changed the people's mood when they're seeing nature like this there. Bonjour monsieur. Ça va bien?
Ça va bien.
Très bien, une belle journée, hein, monsieur? Il fait très beau, le soleil, la rivière est là.
C'est plaisant.
Ah, mais c'est ma première fois que j'ai été ici.
Ah oui? Ah.
C'est à cause de ça que j'ai fait une petite blague. Ah, c'est très beau, la
Ah oui,
place.
c'est beau.
Une bonne place pour marcher.
Oui. Ah oui.
C'est jusqu'au bout, là.
Oui, ça, vous pouvez monter.
Est-ce que tu es capable de tourner ici aussi?
Faut que vous tourniez par la rue.
Ah. Après ça, descendre encore.
Oui, c'est ça.
Ah.
Parce que ici, au bout, vous arrivez sur le boulevard,
Ouais.
les parents. Fait que là, il faut traverser le pont. Puis, en partant par l'autre bord, vous pouvez redescendre jusqu'ici. Mais il y a un bout, c'est par la rue.
Oh, OK.
C'est ça. C'est pas sur le long de la rivière.
Ah, OK. Complètement, c'est loin encore? Une bonne marche, mais c'est très beau, là.
C'est peut-être 25 minutes à peu près.
Ah, OK. Mais j'en ai un temps pour toute la journée. Bonne journée à vous. Bye. Merci. Wow. Guys, I cannot stop smiling because this is so nice. I'll show you. This are my nature vlog. So, guys, if you don't mind, I'm talking a lot because I was happy to see these things and I'm sharing it to you guys. Bonjour, madame. Oh, Cebu. That's yes. Where the trail is. Whoa. Wow. I can stop saying wow. This is bigger than the one that we have in our place. This is really a river, continuation of Jack. I think it's Jack Cartier. And this is up from the upstairs of Wendake. I'm still, guys, here. So this is the place I'm showing to you guys. And I hope you like it. At this time of pandemic crisis, we have to find ways to make our life a little bit outside of that problem or crisis we're having. So we might as well find a way to enjoy ourselves, live life to the fullest. Not expensive though. You don't have to spend money, it's free. Look at that house on the top of that. Oh my God, this is the place I just discovered. I'm gonna bring my hubby one time here. Oh, there is a picnic tub. Look at that. Oh. Oh. Yes, yes, yes. I'll take you more than up there. I'm discovering, so the next time I will go back here and take a walk. Look at that, guys. Yes. Yeah. Today is April 13th here, 2021, and it was really a beautiful day. Look at that, the trees up there. It's all bare at this time, but pretty soon they're gonna pop out all the leaves. I'm not seeing yet the bulbs, but bonjour madame. Retrievo, buongiorno a vous. Look at that. There is a little small trail. Let me show you again, guys, the sound of the adrenaline of the current of the water. So cool. Yes. And wow, wow, wow. Lord, thank you for this beautiful nature creation that you make for us. Sometimes they have salmon in here. And oh, there are lots of birds and ducks going in here. This is the way, that's the thing. I will come back and make an Instagram here. Look at this tree. You see that, guys? How big that tree, but it was broken already and starting to rotten, but still in good shape though. Oh, so cool. Look at that. There's the place where I headed. And this is the place guys, who likes the nature? Nature trails, tripping and walking and just enjoying the nature. It's what I love to do. Wow. One time, me and my friends are gonna come back here. I am going up where the start of the see that, guys? The current of the water is so rushing so much. Look at that. Bonjour. Hello. Bonjour. Livo la chienne. Tu promènes. Oh, I'm going back. So this is where I'm going to take a photo. So guys, if you enjoy this vlog, please like and subscribe on my channel, Pinay Canadian Home Cooks 2.0. This is my other hobby that I'm doing. That's why I'm showing to you guys. And I just wanted to show how I enjoy my day during my off days, and just go around near a place, discover the nature instead of going to the malls where in fact you cannot go anywhere right now because it's all closed. Might as well enjoy this beautiful nature. Yes. Oh God, thank you. Bonjour. C'est vous, hein?
Oui.
On frappait. Ordinaire aujourd'hui.
Oui.
On frappait. Bonne journée à vous. Yes, sir. Good. Wow. I guess I have to stop my vlogging in this area because I want to take Instagram photos. So guys, I'll let you go. And then please don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel. Pinay Canadian Home Cooks. I am so repetitive, but I was just happy to show you guys these things. Thank you guys, and hope you enjoyed my video for today. Nature discovering what to do during pandemic crisis that we're having here. Trevo. Guys, look at the view. I'm on the top of that scale, the trail that I'm using here. And I wanted to show you guys how does it look like. Cool. I guess I showed it a lot. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Bonjour. Retrez-vous, hein? Ouais. La prochaine fois, je vais aller là-bas. Maybe I can go there too. I have lots of time to do it. Hi guys. I think I need to show you more. This is a raw vlog, guys. Uy! Water is so clear. People are running. Lance po, madame, ça va bien? I'm just giving motivation to them, to those. I think this is about it, though. N'a plus la place pour ça, là-bas. C'est la end, c'est la raccourci, là.
Le fond, par là, vous allez par le boulevard Tony Parent, puis les chutes Québec-Cuba.
Ah, ok. Par ici, ah bon?
Donc, ça continue, puis ensuite, vous pouvez redescendre dans la rivière.
Ah, ok. Avec le loin ng Kao.
Ça continue par là.
Par là? Ok. Mais c'est dans la route comme ça?
Dans le fond, il y a un escalier,
Ouais.
puis ça redescend tout de suite après. Mais vous pouvez aussi aller vers la rue.
Ah, non. On va continuer à retourner.
Vous pouvez aller d'un côté ou de l'autre.
Ok. Merci, hein? Bonne journée à vous. That's what she said, that if I want to go up, there is a trail stair over there, but I'm not planning to go up now there. So this is the end of my walk in this area. So guys, it's still over farther away the river, up there. Well, I'm not going there anymore. So I'm just gonna show you a little bit where was it though. Anyway guys, I have the day to do it because I have lots of time to enjoy this weather. Ah, look what I found near and cross. Oh, that's so cool. Hey guys, that's where I am. Thank you for liking this video. If you like it, once again, I'm so makulit. Please like and subscribe. Pinay Canadian Home Cooks 2.0. This is my other passion and travel on the nature besides cooking. So thank you guys. I hope you enjoy this. Bye for now. Until next time on my travel on the nature. Maybe some places I'm going to show you the next time when everything is gonna be okay. Yeah. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. This is me sights. Shout out to the foodie girls of the Philippines. As always, I love you guys. This is my extra curricular hobbies that I'm showing to you. Peace. Bye for now.